Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you tired of battling with thick, unruly hair that just won't cooperate? Or maybe you're seeking that sleek, shiny look without the hassle of multiple tools? Today, we're diving into a hair care kit that promises to change the game. The GHD Max Styler Essentials Trio. This set includes the Max 2-inch wide plates flat iron hair straightener, a Bodyguard Heat Protect Spray, and a Paddle Detangling Hair Brush, all designed specifically for thick hair. Let's see if this trio can deliver the smooth, glossy results it promises. The GHD Max Styler comes equipped with 2-inch wide ceramic plates designed for thick hair that often requires more power and surface area to handle the job. The wide plates claim to straighten large sections of hair in one pass, which is ideal if you're working with thick or coarse textures. The flat iron is paired with GHD's Bodyguard Heat Protect Spray, which is intended to shield your hair from the high heat, while the Paddle Detangling Hair Brush helps smooth things out, ensuring you're ready to style with ease. As for the real-world experience, I immediately noticed how easy the GHD Max Styler was to incorporate into my routine. The wide plates glide smoothly through hair, and I was able to straighten my thick hair in half the time it normally takes with my regular flat iron. One pass was all it took for most sections, which is a huge time saver. The ceramic plates feel gentle on the hair while still giving you that sleek finish. However, I'll admit I was a bit skeptical about the Heat Protect Spray. With other products, I often find that they leave my hair feeling greasy or heavy, but this one was surprisingly lightweight. It didn't weigh my hair down or leave a residue, which is important, especially for thicker hair types. The paddle brush was also a pleasant surprise. It made detangling super simple, even when my hair was freshly washed and wet. It didn't pull or cause breakage, which I always appreciate in a detangling brush. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pro for me was the efficiency. If you have thick hair, you know that the struggle is real when it comes to time spent on styling. The GHD Max Styler reduces the time it takes to achieve a sleek, polished look. The Heat Protect Spray was a game changer in terms of how smooth and healthy my hair felt after styling. No more dry ends from excessive heat. The paddle brush also made the whole process smoother and more enjoyable. As for cons, the price tag could be a potential downside for some. It's definitely on the higher end of the spectrum compared to drugstore flat irons. However, the performance justifies the price, in my opinion, especially for people with thick hair who struggle to find the right tool that works efficiently and gently. In terms of value for money, you're getting more than just a flat iron with the GHD Max Styler Essentials Trio. You're getting a comprehensive set that includes tools designed specifically to protect and manage thick hair. If you're someone who straightens your hair regularly, this could be a great investment. But if you only straighten your hair occasionally, there may be more affordable alternatives that work well for your needs. Comparing this trio to other products on the market, I've used a few high-end brands, and GHD definitely stands out in terms of performance. Other flat irons I've used require several passes to get the desired result, but the wide plates of the GHD Max Styler make the process a lot quicker. In terms of heat protection, there are other sprays out there, but I haven't found one as effective as GHD's Bodyguard when it comes to keeping the hair smooth without compromising the heat styling results. As far as build quality, this set is solid. The flat iron feels sturdy and well constructed, and the ceramic plates give a professional-grade experience. The paddle brush is lightweight and has a good grip, which I like because it doesn't slip while you're detangling. Over time, I didn't notice any degradation in performance, even after several weeks of use. Customer support with GHD is also top-notch. They have a reputation for being responsive and offering helpful advice. I haven't had to contact them directly, but I've heard good things about their service in case any issues arise. If you're on the hunt for something more budget-friendly, there are some alternatives that still work well for thick hair. For example, brands like Remington or Conair offer flat irons at a fraction of the price. While they may not offer the same speed and sleek finish as the GHD Max Styler, they still provide solid results for daily use. To sum it up, the GHD Max Styler Essentials Trio is an excellent choice for those with thick hair who need something powerful, efficient, and gentle on the strands. It definitely lives up to its claims in terms of performance, making styling faster and easier. However, the price might be a sticking point for some, so it's worth considering whether you're ready to make that investment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest beauty review like this one. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best in beauty product insights. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this product or any GHD styling tools, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.